The next topic that we are going to touch are dates. Dates are usually used in some kind of reports, data analyze, or whenever you track the deadlines or some kind of birthday or another parties. So I will show you key concepts that are included inside the Microsoft Excel and how to use them, because it's quite easy. Because here we've got the formulas as always, and date and time here are most of them that we can use. But the most used are all start, maybe not the most used, but very helpful today. And you can see, I will just expand it. We've got the date today, 27th of March 2025. Also, we can check this another thing. Whenever we would like to have also the hour that we are currently have, we've got something that called now. We don't need any arguments. It takes no arguments even. And with OK, as you can see, we've got today dates and we've got hour over here. What if we would like to have the another date? We would like to specify the date that will just appear wherever we would like to have. Here we come to date and time and date, and we can create the year. I will go like 2022, for example, like December and 2nd. And as you can see, go OK. But wait, what's that number? I will show you in no time. And you can see that date work. But as you remember, we've got some kind of problems with that. Again, the same date, and we've got that good number, 44,897. And what is it? Okay, I just accumulate two dates over there, but I would like to stick only with that one. And what's that number? That number comes from here. And whenever I go to general, you can see we've got exactly the same number. The dates start from the 1st of the January and 1900. And to prove you that it's from that date, and you can of course, if you would like to present something to the friends, you can just realize that whenever I go with dates, at the 101st of January, you can see number 1. That's the first day that it can occur from the Microsoft Excel over there. And whenever you've got quite not good looking number, you can realize that you need only to change it to short date or long date, but we need to expand to have the long date. But remember, don't worry, whenever that number occurs, it's normal thing. It's pretty normal. I'll go to the previous one. Of course, we also need to know how to operate with dates. For example, I would like to know how many dates there is a difference from today and the day that I created. It's quite easy because we present the equal sign, first date minus second date, and voila, I've got how many days were between that 2 days. So it's like more than 2 years, so it's quite accurate. Whenever you just calculate exactly the days that comes from that one to another one. Of course, as you can see, whenever I just record that, the date, the hours and minutes over here changes because they automatically refresh from what you've got inside the windows. So I mean, over here, I've got another minute, and whenever I would write something, it's automatically, of course, refresh. And two last thing, because we need, for example, date and time, because we would like to have only the year, month of today, and the day of today, and what is hour and how many minutes left. So here, how to work with year. Of course, we can go to the formulas, date and time, and year, and we can select from which one we would like to have the year. Of course, we can just write the month. It's like quite easy how we can operate. Select the cell that you would like to have the month, and that's all. And also the day, and select the cell that you would like to have the day. Of course, with hour, you guess it right. It's like hour And from here, we've got the hour and the minutes, the parentheses, select, and we've got the minutes. It also automatically refresh whenever we made some kind of changes. As you can see, the dates over here, I mean today, now, and operation with dates are quite easy because it's quite math whenever we would like to subtract one of another date. Whenever we would like to have the year, Microsoft Excel provides us easy formulas, functions for that. Year, month, day, hour, minute, edit works perfectly without the issues and without any problems. So I guess I can just delete it, and you can see that our minutes also refresh over there. And see you in the more complex topics in the next lesson.